Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn any photo into an art design using Gemini AI with Nano Banana. It's super easy and you can even copy the styles of any artwork you like. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini in your browser and then just log in with your Google account and make sure Nano Banana is activated because it that lets you instantly edit images with prompts. You can activate it by just tap on tools icon and then tap on create images like this. And here I already tried converting my own photo into a Van Gogh painting style, and here's the result. Pretty cool, right? It looks just like Van Gogh brush strokes. But what if you want to use a different art styles and you don't know its name? No problem, Gemini actually lets you upload a reference image of the art styles that you want. And here's how. Just upload your photo and then also upload the art styles reference image. And in this tutorial I will just use this photo, so I will just upload the art style reference image. Just tap on the plus button and then upload files like this, and then just type a prompt to transform your photo. You can type your prompt like this. And okay, like this, your photo is now transformed into the exact art designs. It little bit different, but I think the results are still amazing and looks super professional. And okay, that's how you can easily transform any photo into a stunning art design with Nano Banana in Gemini. Just try experimenting with different reference styles and you will be surprised how creative the results can be. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!